Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple photo of yourself into a talking animated character like it's really speaking. And the best part? You can do it super easily with the help of AI using Hedra, and no tech skills needed at all. If you want your photo to have a unique style like Ghibli-inspired or something more cartoonish, you can use AI tools like Leonardo AI or Bing Image Creator to transform your picture into a fun animated character. Next, head over to Hedra AI. Create an account or just log in with Google. Then click on Create New Project, give your project a name, and hit Continue. Now, click on Upload Image and select a photo from your gallery or desktop. For best results, use a clear front-facing image with good lighting and visible facial features. Time to add some voice. You have two options: upload a voice recording of yourself, or simply type in some text, and Hedra will turn it into speech using AI. For example, you could write, "Hey, I'm back with something cool to show you." Once you're ready, hit the Generate button and wait a few seconds. Hedra will turn your image into a talking animated character in no time. Finally, click Download to save your video. You can use it on YouTube, Instagram, or anywhere you like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss more awesome AI tutorials.